are some top tips to stay hydrated in this summer. So let's start. Number 1. Drink plenty of the water throughout the day. Aim for 8 to 10 glasses a day. Number 2. Infuse water. Add a slice of lemon, cucumber or a mint to give your water a refreshing twist. Number 3. Add hydrate food. Include watermelon, strawberry and celery in your diet. Number 4. Sugary drinks. Avoid sugary drinks. Use water instead of using soda, juices and sport drinks. Number 5. Drink before you feel thirsty. Stay ahead of dehydration by drinking plenty of the water throughout the day. Number 6. Use a water bottle. Use a refillable water bottle with you to stay hydrated on the go. Number 7. Sip on herbal tea. Herbal tea can contribute to your daily hydration need and provide antioxidant. Number 8. Avoid caffeine and alcohol. Caffeine and alcohol both can dehydrate you, so limit your intake. Remember, stay hydrated is crucial for your health and well-being, especially during the hot summer months. Keep watching and comment below which topic I explain next.